Welcome back. Today we will discuss about lemon activity, important one. Usually when you see lemon and when we cut with a knife, it turns into red. Have you seen this kind of techniques usually? This is a little kind of magic. That means already for the knife, for this knife, some chemical will be added. So that chemical will be very light to appear. We cannot see easily as it is like a water paint, so that with that color when it is added to the knife, and with that knife if we cut this lemon, then the lemon water turns into red. Then we will find this as like a magic. But in general, what is the thing here? Methyl orange is one chemical, so that is painted here. Methyl orange will be there in a laboratory. That chemical will be added here, so that complete knife will be painted with methyl orange. This you need to remember. And lime powder also, usually lime powder will be there, so that also will be added. And here we have this. Do you believe that blood comes out of a lemon? How is it possible? When a magician cuts a lemon, blood flows out of it. Actually he uses a knife dipped in methyl orange or hibiscus solution. Hibiscus solution means hibiscus flower we need to make into paste to cut the lemon. So when we use this methyl orange or hibiscus solution to the knife, then when methyl orange is mixed with citric acid, lemon juice, it turns immediately to red. But it is not blood. In many of our places, we find people doing this and presenting it as magic. In our state, some are performing about science tips as black magic, mantralu, chetabadi, and banamati, and deceive the people. Now you can also do this. So usually people, now it is very less here, and these kind of things are not there in this world. But again and again TV wantedly will make forgetting things already by the people. Again it will be bringing to the news here. These are not there. Sometimes media only will create with some fake members, and will deceive the people, again will make fool people. So when we cut this, then these kind of things will be there. So that is one activity. So at your home, lemon powder, lime powder if it is present, or hibiscus flowers usually if it is present, you can also paste that and apply to the knife, and then you can see coming into red color. Next we see, let us do some more experiments. Take a natural acid like lemon juice in 6 test tubes and add copper, zinc, magnesium, iron, brass, aluminum pieces to each of the test tubes separately. Note your observations. Light a matchstick and introduce into the test tubes, which do what you will observe. This is only for our um, discussion, understood? Not a laboratory activity. To find acidic and basic, usually these are all will be mixed in acid and forms into salt, and some will release gases. So that is only we need to do. Matchstick if we are making means it will be the fire will be off. Usually it produces extra hydrogen gas like that. Examples will be there. You need to remember that whenever lemon water, that means our lemon juice water is added to these metals, then it will become mixed. Next, Henry Cavendish. Henry Cavendish, an Italian scientist, discovered a colorless gas called hydrogen balloons. As I said here, hydrogen is released in this activity. That was discovered by Henry Cavendish. In exam, what is asked here? Who discovered hydrogen? You need to remember Henry Cavendish. This you need to remember. Understood? And balloons are filled with hydrogen with this gas. The balloons are used for beautification. Usually you would have seen hydrogen balloons will just fly in the air without our any effort. Why? Because hydrogen has less density. Due to that, balloons will fly off. Next, if you see, when some substances are kept in a copper container for a long time, then a blue-green layer is formed in the inner walls of the container. Copper reacts with the acids present in the substances and forms a blue color or a green compound. To avoid this, the inner walls of these vessels are coated with tin. Usually at our homes we can have copper vessels. Understood? Copper vessels will be there. Whenever we see, inner walls of this container will form into blue color, blue green color like that it will be forming. Yes, I to observe that. And why? Because this blue green layer is formed means that container will react with some acids. Understood. For example, in copper vessels, fish curry is cooked. Then what will happen? That curry later next day it turns into blue green color due to acid is combining with copper. So that is the thing. Nowadays, if we are purchasing copper, inner vessels are coated with this tin material. Tin is a metal. Next, have you heard about acid rains? Usually, companies will be present. That companies will release sulfur gas. That sulfur gas will react with cloud water, and sulfur and water will both form into sulfuric acid. Due to that, acid rain will be formed, and due to that acid rains, what is the dangerous thing? We get skin rashes, that skin rashes, and on buildings if it is falling means that means the houses which are there near to the companies, that companies release sulfur gas. So if we construct any home near to the companies, then we face this kind of acid rains, very very irritation skin will be there. And if we discuss, this rain will damage even historical places also, like Taj Mahal monument. Taj Mahal is being made that. Do you know what acid rains are? Acid rains are combination of carbonic acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid with rainwater. Acid rains cause damage to buildings and monuments like Taj Mahal and also to our skin. Industrial waste gases contain sulfur dioxide, nitrogen, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, carbonic acid. These three gases you need to remember. How are acid rains are caused means here by the combination of rains and again combination of carbonic acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid. If you are not understanding, again you watch this video. Understood? Nothing is the seventh class only. No, basics are important. These basics only. These are the basics. Later we will form about the stories. In eighth class you will be having about acid rain, very neat chapter. Then you can understand. Now only terms are important for getting into eighth class. So these are formed by industrial waste and gas that contain sulfur dioxide, nitrogen, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, and carbonic acid. So these will be formed, and acids and rains are also witnessed in a AP state in Vishakhapatnam district. Can you guess the reason for acid rain in Vishakhapatnam? Yes, they do have manufacturing companies here, and Vishakhapatnam is very near to the coastal region, so that rain cloud will be coming in contact with these chemicals releasing from the factories, so it occurred the acid rain. And next activity is about take lemon juice in two test tubes and add some pieces of marble to one test tube and eggshells to another. What do you observe? Bring a burning matchstick near the test tube. What happens? The flame extinguishes. These are due to the release of some gases. Pass the gas into lime water. What happens? Can you see the formation of precipitation? Just normal this activity. We need to take two test tubes. In one test tube, we need to add marble. Another test tube, we need to add eggshells. Egg usually we will eat, no, the egg shells, white color shells. So not only white, some are getting now brown like that. Country eggshells are there. Any eggshells we can add. Then we need to add this lemon juice in both the test tubes. Then if we bring a matchstick near to the test tubes, then this fire will be off. This fire will be put off. What is the reason here? Why? Because here release of carbon dioxide is seen. So release of carbon dioxide will make something, this kind of this fire will be put off. And what will happen if we pass this gas into lime water? This is lemon juice, this is lime water. So if we pass that to lime water, then it will turn into milky white. Understood? That means two test tubes we need to take, and after taking two test tubes, then we need to make it very simple. For example, if you see, this is one test tube and this is one test tube. So half we need to fill lime juice, and here also lime juice, lemon juice. Wait, lemon juice. After that, here we need to add marbles. Marbles usually spherical will be there. You would have played in the childhood, and very spherical will be there. And the next one here you need to add eggshells. After that, this gas will be produced. That gas will stop this fire, and this gas, if we sent into lime juice, this is lemon, this is lime. So lime juice if we send means what will happen, this lime juice will turn into milky white. So that is the thing here, activity only, knowledge is important. So remember these facts. When this gas is sent into the next one, then we will be getting milky white.